Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google AdSense account approval status. If you've recently applied to monetize your website with AdSense, knowing how to verify your approval status is essential so you can start earning revenue from your content as soon as possible. First, open your web browser and navigate to adsense.google.com. This is the main portal for managing all your AdSense activities. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully and click the Sign In button. Make sure you're using the Google account that you originally used to submit your AdSense application. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the AdSense dashboard. This is where you can monitor your earnings, ad performance, and most importantly for today, your site approval status. Take a moment to let the dashboard fully load as it needs to pull all your account information from Google's servers. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage all the websites you've connected to your AdSense account, and it's where Google displays the approval status for each one. Once you click on Sites, you'll be taken to a page that displays all your registered websites. Here you can see your site's URL listed along with its current approval status. This is the central location where Google communicates whether your site has been approved, is still pending review, or if there are any issues that need your attention. Focus on the approval status column next to your site's URL. This is where you can check the approval. You'll see one of several statuses here. If it says ready, congratulations, your site is approved and you can start displaying ads. If it shows getting ready, your site is still under review and you'll need to wait a bit longer. Sometimes you might see needs attention, which means there's an issue you need to fix before approval can proceed. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Google AdSense approval status and now know exactly where your application stands. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.